Hi friends, this video shows how to replace blade of this KABEER art cutter. We also get 10 blades with this product. This is a 10 blades. So this cutter has auto locking mechanism. I will show you how we can replace this blade. See, this is the cutter. We can press here. We can push and pull like this. If you want to replace this blade, here this back side, this part we can remove. We can just push this way, and that way we can remove it. See, then press here, then pull. This way we can take it outside. See, then take new blade, then put it like this, then insert. Then press and push, then close this back side. Done. See, so this way we can replace the blade. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.